Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 10, Term 1, Week 6. This is Day 3, Environmental, Chemical Reactions, Combustions, Acids, Photosynthesis, and Respiration. Objectives: explain how combustion, acids on metals, acids on carbonates, photosynthesis, and cellular respiration affect natural and built environments. Analyze and communicate an authentic environmental situation by identifying the chemical reactions involved, its evidence, equation, effect, and possible solution. Value responsible personal and community actions that reduce harmful environmental effects of chemical reactions. For motivational activity, reaction scene freeze frame. Different chemical reactions are occurring all around the community. In this activity, you will interpret a real-life scene through a short silent pause and scientific explanation. Directions: form 5 small groups. Each group secretly draws one situation card. You have 2 minutes to prepare a silent frozen pose representing the situation. Other groups observe the pose and identify the following: the possible reaction involved, whether its effect is mainly helpful, harmful, or both, and one clue from the pose that supports the answer. After the guesses, the presenting group reveals its reaction card and reads the scientific connection. Okay, sample situation card. Okay, we have A jeepney releases dark smoke while passengers cover their noses. B, a metal gate exposed to acidic rainwater gradually weakens and develops damaged surfaces. Letter C, an old marble school marker slowly becomes rough after years of exposure to polluted rain. And letter D, students plant trees around the school grounds under sunlight. A runner breathed deeply after completing several laps around the field. Okay, scenario: air, stone, green spaces around the school. Ayan. A school is located near a busy road. Each morning, numerous motorcycles, jeepneys, and delivery trucks pass in front of the gate. Some vehicles release dark smoke. Near the entrance stands an old limestone commemorative marker that has become rough and faded over the years. The metal railings nearby also show signs of damage. To respond to the concern, the school launches a greening project by planting native trees and maintaining plants around the campus. And learners are asked to examine how chemical reactions may be connected to the observed problems and the proposed solution. Okay, guide questions. What type of reaction occurs when fuel burns in vehicle engines? Okay, that is fuel burning and vehicle engines involve a combustion reaction. Why may dark smoke from vehicles indicate incomplete combustion? Okay, dark smoke may indicate incomplete combustion because the fuel is not burning completely due to insufficient oxygen or poor engine performance. This may form soot and harmful gases. Okay, what harmful gas may be formed during incomplete combustion? Okay, that is carbon monoxide may be formed during incomplete combustion. It is poisonous because it reduces the blood's ability to carry oxygen. What chemical reaction may explain the gradual wearing away of the limestone marker? Okay, that is acids reacting with calcium carbonate in limestone can slowly dissolve or damage the marker. Okay, that is calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid resulting to calcium chloride and water and carbon monoxide. How can acidic substances affect the metal railings? Okay, in the environment, acidic rainwater may similarly affect limestone or marble surfaces. How can planting and protecting trees support the environment in relation to chemical reaction? Okay, acids may react with reactive metals and contribute to corrosion or deterioration of metal structures such as railings, roofing, tools, or bridges. Okay, write the balance equation for photosynthesis. Okay, yan yung balance. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. With the aid of light and chlorophyll, it produces 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen gas. Trees perform photosynthesis. They use carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. Planting and protecting trees may help support oxygen production, provide shade, improve green spaces, and contribute to carbon dioxide uptake. Okay, the complete combustion. Complete combustion occurs when a hydrocarbon fuel burns with sufficient oxygen. Useful effect, produces energy for cooking, heating, electricity, and transportation. Environmental concern, produces carbon dioxide and a greenhouse gas. Okay, the incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion occurs when fuel burns insufficient oxygen. Possible signs: dark smoke, soot, poor flame quality, or strong fumes. The danger: produces carbon monoxide which is poisonous. Okay, the acids on metal. Metal reacts with acid, the result will be salt and hydrogen gas. Example, zinc reacts with two molecules of hydrochloric acid, resulting to zinc chloride and hydride or hydrogen gas. The oxygen exposure may contribute to the weakening of or corrosion of reactive metal materials. Okay, acids on carbonates. Metal carbonate reacts with acid, resulting to salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Example, calcium carbonate reacts with two molecules of hydrochloric acid, resulting to calcium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. Limestone, marble, chalk, shells, and some building stones contain a calcium carbonate. Acidic conditions may gradually damage them. Okay, the photosynthesis, ito yung equation ulit. Photosynthesis stores energy in glucose and releases oxygen into the environment. Okay, the cellular respiration. Kung papansin natin, pag kinompare natin yung respiration and photosynthesis, they are exactly reverse or opposite. Kasi yung product sa photosynthesis, yun naman ang magiging reactants dito sa respiration. Respiration releases the energy cells need for movement, growth, repair, and other life function.